Study Guide, Unit 8. So number 1, type in our equation into decimals. Y equals x squared minus 6x minus 7. Okay, first thing we want is our table. So to get the table, you're going to hit this round button and hit the table. These are your values which you would put for your table. -2, 9, and so on. Okay. Now we're going to go to zeros. Our zeros are the points which hit the x-axis. So our first point is x equals -1. And our second point would be x equals 7. So that would be your zeros. Okay, now your x-intercept, which you will write down, is just this point. -1, 0, and 7, 0. Alright, for y-intercept. So now y-intercept, we are going to look where our parabola hits our y-axis. We're going to hit the minus button, and then we're going to click on this point. So, which will be 0, -7. So that will be your y-intersect. Now to sketch our graph, you're just going to reproduce these 3 points. You plot this -1, 0, 7, 0, and -0, 7, and you draw best you can. That's 3 points. Okay, for our domain and range, we are going to measure our domain. So we're going to pretend these are arrows. So we measure our domain from left to right. So this is our domain. So our domain is overall numbers. For shortcut. Now we are looking at our range. Range is from bottom to top. So we got to find our vertex. Vertex is the point where they meet. So we're going to hit another minus button, and then you will click on the vertex, which is this one. We are looking for our range this time, so we want the y value, -16. So now we could write that up, y, -16. And our parabola is going up. That means it's going to be greater than equal to. So it will be our answer choice C. So C, number 1. All right, and our last step in this problem will be, I'm going to erase everything, except I'm leaving my equation. All right, so what I'm going to do is type in all my equations in. That's the easiest ways to do that. Y equals parenthesis x minus 1 and parenthesis x plus 7. Okay, now we look at our pictures. Since the colors are very close, you could change the color. Let's go with orange. Okay, so our main one is blue. All right, they do not overlap. That means that's not the answer. All right, so keep on typing away. Y equals -1 parenthesis x plus 1, close it, and then x minus 7. All right, that did not overlap, still not our answer. We could click them off if it bothers you. I click the colors off and they disappear. Let's go to answer G. Y equals -1 parenthesis x minus 1 close the parenthesis, x plus 7. Close it. All right. Colors are identical, so let me change the color. So I hover over it. And let's take red. Okay, they do not cover, so it has to be the last choice or answer, but we're still going to test it. Y equals parenthesis x plus 1 and x minus 7. Okay, look at that. It covers. It overlaps. That means that's our answer. See that? So our answer choice is H for number 1. Okay.